Before watching the video, do subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so you will never miss our latest uploads. Do you have a bad back posture? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix incorrect back posture with the help of some workouts. The best way to improve your posture is to focus on exercises that is within your core. A good posture is a key to a better back. Make these exercises a part of your daily routine to stand tall and look confident.
Get ready. First up, shoulder rolls. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. One, rest. Next up, overhead shoulder presses. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up, small arm circles. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up, big arm circles. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up, crisscross arms. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up, oblique crisscross arms. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up, reverse flies. 3, 2, 1, go. bent over wing flies. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up. Prone opposite arm leg lifts. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up. Supermans. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up. Lying tricep lifts. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up. Opposite leg arm lifts. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up. Cat camel stretch. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Last one. Back stretch. 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway there. 'Congratulations! Workout complete!
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.